Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is PrideDirekoMorajane, and I hope you click the red subscription button down below and become a part of this family. In this video, we are going to be cleaning these babies over here, and we are going to make them look like this. Okay, so if you're interested in how I got them this clean, stay tuned as we get right into this video. Firstly, I'm going to soak them in warm water. For me, this is like letting them know that, hey, my babies, you're about to get clean. Okay, you're about to be washed. So yeah, I'm gonna leave them in this water for like 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so now we are about to wash our sponges. So I'm just like adding water onto them. I just do that. So now I'm grabbing on my soap. I use the Securex bar. I'll try and leave the specific soap bar on the side so that you guys can see which one I use. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm only rubbing the beauty blenders onto my soap until the makeup comes off of it. So this is what I'm going to be doing to all of the beauty blenders, and yeah. Look at all of that dirt coming out, guys, and look at how clean. Look at how clean that sponge is. Oh, I know deep down it's thanking me. It is thanking me. Alright guys, I'm just gonna do this last one with you guys. I am sure that you guys can already see the difference, or you know what, let me just do another one, like another one where it's like a little bit more lighter so that you guys can see the difference, because I really want you guys to see the difference. I really want you guys to see how I really get these things clean. So yeah, be patient. Okay, as you can see, this one's color is a little bit more lighter. So yeah, after this one we move on to the next step. So yeah, watch the magic that my soap is doing with these beauty blenders. I really hope you guys are loving and enjoying this video so far. How satisfying, like how satisfying, you guys. Wow. I am only just making sure that you guys see exactly what it is that I do to wash my beauty blenders, because I want you guys, when you try it at home, you get this to get the same results. I don't want you guys to say, but mine don't get that clean, mine don't. This is the whole process of cleaning these beauty blenders. Okay, so now we are going to rinse them. We're rinsing all the soap out of these beauty blenders. Alright guys, the next step is us using a Detol to disinfect the beauty blenders. Honestly, these beauty blenders are thanking me right now. So yeah, we are going to put them in the water with the Detol, and then we're just going to squeeze them. This is only just to, I don't know, for me it makes me feel like they received enough. You know, when I squeeze them like this, I feel like the water is going in enough and they're just receiving enough water. And our last rinse, this is just so they don't really smell of Detol like that much, you know. Last rinse, and then we are done. We are clean. Okay, so this next step is the step that you do when you want them to like really dry, like to get really dry like really fast. You're just going to put them in a towel, and then from there you're just going to squeeze it. Squeeze the towel, and then we are going to just let them dry on their own. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that you are notified each time I post a new video. And if you have a quicker way of cleaning your blenders, please do let us know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much. Till my next one. Bye.